Hi everyone, welcome back. Led Zeppelin's drums sound like cannons. Beastie Boys' drums sound like sledgehammers. They both use the same trick, which is the 1176 all buttons in mode. And I just found a free 1176 compressor plugin that does exactly that, with only 3 knobs. Introducing to you Pulsar Smasher. And trust me, your drums are about to explode. And sorry guys, this plugin is only available for free just for a limited time. Make sure to watch this video to the very end so that you see and learn how to get it for free. With that being said, let's check it out. Here is my drum boss before. Thin, polite, digital. It sounds fine, right? And to be very honest, sometimes fine doesn't get the heads nodding, and sometimes, in most cases, fine doesn't get played in clubs. Now I'm going to show you what aggressive drum compression actually sounds like when you stop being polite. Check this out. This plugin, Pulsar Smasher, is a free FET compressor plugin that models the 1176 with all buttons engaged permanently. That is to say, you can't turn it off. And that's the point. It is not here to be polite. And the best part, it is a free perpetual license, not a trial, not limited, free forever. Now, we'll be paying attention to these major knobs, the input and the output knob. So here is the thing, 2 knobs. Input pushes your drums into the FET circuit, which means more input equals more saturation, more grit, and more explosion. Now the output knob, which is just to control levels. But here is the secret. On a real 1176, you had to push input and pull output to balance everything. But on this particular plugin, Smasher by Pulsar, you just push input until it sounds right. Now watch my snare go from polite to punishing. But input alone is just a distortion pedal. The mix knob is where the magic happens. Alright, I believe you had it, and that is just for the demonstration. My actual settings if I'm using Smasher on drum chain is the input. Sometimes I leave it around 70 for FET saturation. The output, I try to match the level. Then for the mix knob, I usually keep it around 45% for parallel gluing. And that is it. The 3 knob, all button in 1176 aggression. No menu driven, no preset scrolling, just drum that explode. But don't take it for what I'm saying. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Try it out and let us know what you think about this plugin. That brings us to the end of today's video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments below. If you want to check out amazing free plugins I've covered on this channel, the video on the screen is a playlist. Go there, you might find something useful, and I will see you there. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and bye for now.